Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. And today we are checking out Motion AI. And honestly, if you are always busy, overwhelmed, or struggling to manage tasks, this might be one of the most useful AI tool you'll ever use. This might be one of the most useful AI tools you'll ever use because it automatically plans your day. So let's see how it works. First, open your browser and search Motion AI. Then you can open usemotion.com and now sign up for free. And now you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Next, you can sign up with the premium. It has two options, Pro AI and Business AI, and it also offers free trial. So you just click try for free. Once you finish with the sign up, Motion will ask you to connect with the calendar. So we can connect with the Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or iCloud Calendar. And I'm going to choose Google Calendar. Now you have to give permission. So this let motion see your meeting ability and free time. So click on continue. I have to say I have selected all calendar that belong to me. And now you can set up your weekly work hours. And now you can set up your weekly work hours and then continue. Now it's asking which recurring task would you like to schedule on your calendar. Choose. So I'll choose check email and exercise. And next, what are you working on this week? And you can choose at least 5 tasks. So creating content for tech, learning AI tools, working from home, going to the gym, and calisthenic. And now click on next. Next, would you like motion to automatically time block task on your motion calendar? Yes. Next, would you like to add a AI note taker to all your future meeting? Yes. Would you like to send email meeting recap? Yes. Click continue. Now let's create a new task. So click on new and you can choose a new task and you can name your task and then some description. Now you can write description. So finish your videos due tomorrow 2 hours and save task. And on the right side you can see we have more options. So you can choose a assignee, priority, duration, and whatever you want. Let's create another task and this time I created edit thumbnail and then again save it. Now you can see motion will schedule everything for me. So instead of dragging tasks around manually, motion automatically places them into your calendar. So go to project and task and choose my task. Now you can see schedule task. So for Monday today, check email, set up your work schedule, connect your calendar, YouTube, learning calisthenic, creating content for tech, exercise, working from home, edit thumbnail, going to gym, learning AI tools. You can also mark a task with a high priority. So for example, I can select learning AI tool and then go to priority and I can select high, low or as soon as possible. And I'll choose as soon as possible and save it. And then you can see motion automatically adjusts your schedule. You can also manage it. You can also manage the deadlines. Again, go to task and select the task and then click on deadline. Right now it's 12th June and I can change to 8th June. Now motion immediately rebuild your schedule. Go to your calendar and now you can see all scheduled tasks here. So motion also can be useful for team planning. So you can assign tasks, manage projects, and coordinate schedules. You can also plan your daily work. So motion show you every morning what to work on, when to work on it, what's overdue, what's next. So it's like AI project manager. So for example, for me, tomorrow task is check email, exercise, set up your schedule, working from home, going to gym, learning calisthenic and all. Honestly, Motion is one of the best AI productive tool. So that's all for Motion AI and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.